Question is from GATE 2018 Instrumentation and Process Control for 2 marks. The decay ratio for a system having complex conjugate poles are this we have given, right? So let's start with the solution. You can see here second order transfer function is generalized form. You can see here it is a second order transfer function in general form, that is k upon tau square s square plus 2 zeta tau s plus 1, right? So s is equal to minus zeta s. What is s? I put this equation is equal to 0, then by the Sridharacharya formula I can get s is equal to minus zeta upon tau plus minus under root zeta square minus 1 upon. Since if you apply the Sridharacharya formula, you will get minus 2 zeta minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, right? Minus 2 zeta tau plus minus under root b square will be 2 means 4 zeta square tau square minus 4ac, 4 tau square. 4 tau square can be taken out from the square root. It will be 2 tau, right? It will be 2 tau, then and we will divide by 2 tau square. After solving, you can see here minus zeta by tau plus minus under root zeta square minus 1 upon tau. You can see, right? S is equal to minus zeta, and we can do one thing, j. It is coming from, since I am changing this 1 minus zeta square, it is a iota, right? Imaginary number now. So why I am doing this? Remember one thing, whenever we calculate the decay ratio or overshoot, generally we calculate it for, always we calculate it for the underdamped response. Underdamped means zeta will be less than 1, right? Since in critically damped or in overdamped system there is no overshoot, there is no decay ratio, right? So I am writing it as, since zeta is less than 1, so I will write it as 1 minus zeta square. This is the only concept which they are checking, right? So you can see here. Now we will compare it. We have two poles, we have two conjugate poles here, minus 1 by 10. So it will be for real part minus zeta upon tau this, and 2 by 15 is for imaginary part, right? After comparing, we get minus zeta upon tau is equal to minus 1 by 10, and under root 1 minus zeta square by tau is equal to 2 by 15. After solving, you can see here 1 by tau square minus, and I know this zeta square tau square. After solving this, it is 1 by 10 whole square, it will be 1 by 100. After solving, I got tau is equal to 6, right? If I got tau is equal to 6, then zeta is equal to 0.6. You can see here from this zeta, it will be tau is equal to 6 and zeta is equal to 0.6. So you can see here it is less than 1. I have already told you that we always calculate decay ratio and overshoot for underdamped system, not for overdamped or critically damped system. Decay ratio is equal to exponential minus 2 pi zeta upon under root 1 minus zeta square, right? So you can see here minus 2 into 3.14 into 0.6. I will put all values. Decay ratio will be 9 into 10 to the power minus 3. From the options, you can see here option C is correct. Option C is correct. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.